Hi friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Vivo V29 Pro 5G smartphone. In this video, you will learn how to enter into safe mode in your phone Vivo V29 Pro 5G. First of all, press power button and volume up button together. Press these two buttons together and power off menu will appear. Here long press on power off and your phone will ask you to reboot to safe mode. Click on OK. So your phone will be rebooting into safe mode. See here. So what you have to do is just press simultaneously power button and volume up button so that power off menu will appear. There you go to long press on power off option. Don't one press. If you press one time on power off, it will just turn off your phone, that is switch off your phone. But what you have to do is just long press on power off so that your phone will ask to enter into your safe mode. Okay, see here, safe mode is now activated, and see in the bottom left side of your phone a text is available like safe mode. Okay, so safe mode text is printed here. Okay, so in this way you can easily enter into safe mode in your phone Vivo V29 Pro 5G. That's all friends, thanks for watching, bye.